I know you do a lot of work with kind of executive level folks. Are there things that are different about that kind of job search than, say, someone who just is, mid-career?
Inherently, there's things that are different at every level, in every industry, in every profession, right? But I think they all come down to some similarities in that. Look at who is hiring you. Where do they congregate? Where do they find candidates? Where do they meet people? Put yourself there. And then what message do they want to see in these candidates? And how do you outshine the competing candidates around you? Sometimes people do a search and they're just like thinking in a vacuum of like, okay, how are they going to perceive me and how can I tell them that I'm the best? And it's like, okay, it's not a vacuum kind of conversation. How do you look in terms of your competitors? Is everyone writing a task-driven document? Well, by you writing an achievement-based document, you're going to now outshine most of the competition. If you, are going for like a director of marketing or a CFO role or a staff accountant role, like if you're speaking in quantifiable measured achievements versus like, does your resume look like a job description with somebody's name on it? Well, every staff accountant, every CFO, every director of marketing does similar tasks.
Yeah.
So if you have a task-based document, you're going to sound like everybody else. So how well do you do it? I think that's really the differentiator. We have our senior level clients refer us their, adult children and professional level colleagues, friends, and spouses. So, we're not turning people away if they're still within our sweet spot of finding a corporate role. The main thing is like you can find a job as a staff level, mid-level, or senior level person going to a conference, reaching out to a person, finding it on a job board and submitting. So the tactics are all somewhat similar. You just may need to sound or look a little bit different based on the level, based on the target that you're targeting. And it comes down to doing the market research and realizing this is essentially a sales process or a marketing process, and you are selling a product, that product being you, to a buyer who is a hiring manager.